Hello everyone! Today I have the pleasure to present you a new British coin, and more precisely 1 shilling from 1953, also known as 1 bob. Shilling was a British currency and a denomination of predecimal sterling coinage, where £1 worth 20 shillings and each shilling worth 12 pennies. It started to be minted in the reign of Henry VII, around the 16th century, and it circulated until 1990. Let's dive into some coin measurements, then I will present you more details about the coin. The shilling coin had two different values, as between the middle of the 16th century from 1548 until 1971, when decimalization happened, as I already said, 1 shilling worth 12 pennies. After decimalization, between 1971 until 1990, 1 shilling worth 5 pence. But actually, it's the same math, because before 1971, £1 equal 20 shillings, 1 shilling worth 12 pence. Then, after 1971, £1 worth 100 pennies and 1 shilling worth 5 pennies. So again, 20 shillings in £1. The coin have a weight of 5.66 grams, but here we talk about the shillings between 1816 until 1970, with a diameter of 23.60 millimeters and the thickness of 2.3 millimeters, and the edge of the coin is milled, as you can see. The number of the coins minted in 1953 is 41,943,800 pieces and 40,000 pieces in proof set. Now, about the metal content is a bit different. Between 1503 until 1816, the coin is made from silver. Between 1816 until 1920, the coin is made from sterling silver, or silver 925. Between 1920 until 1946, the coin is made from 50% silver, and between 1947 until 1970, the coin is made from copper and nickel. So our shilling coin from 1953 is made from copper and nickel. Let's go back to our shilling story to be able to understand better and clear. The shilling was last minted in 1966. The last 4 years until 1970 is minted only in proof set. After decimalization from 1971, the shilling worth 5 pence now instead of 12. So we find now a 5 pence coin who had the same size as the 1 shilling coin, and they worked together in circulation until 1990. In 1990, both the shilling and the 5 pence coin with the same size as the shilling have been withdrawn from the circulation, and the new 5 pence coin have been reduced in size and kept it until present. Of course, the shilling coin have a big history for a coin who was in circulation for almost 500 years, but I will come back to our coin from 1953. On one side of the coin we can observe the portrait of Queen Elizabeth II, designed by Mary Gillick. Design used from 1953 until 1970. We also can observe being written Elizabeth II de gratia brit omn regina, which is a Latin inscription saying Elizabeth II by grace of God, Queen of all the Britons. And we also can observe the beads, or the dots, who surround the coin. On the other side of the coin we can observe an English coat of arms with a crown shield and 3 passant lions. On top of the coin is written in Latin Fid Def, as Fide Defensatrix, meaning defender of the faith. And below the shield is written 1 shilling, and at the middle of the shield is the year when the coin have been minted, 1953, and of course the bidding, the dots around the coin. Thank you for watching. Until next time, all the best.